In this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a hyperlink in LibreOffice. Whether you're preparing a document for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to effectively insert hyperlinks can make your documents more interactive and useful. So let's dive right in. First, you need to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. LibreOffice is a versatile suite of tools, and today we're focusing on its writer component. If you haven't already installed LibreOffice, make sure to download it from their official website. Once you have it installed, go ahead and launch the application. Now that LibreOffice is open, the next step is to click on the Writer document. This is essentially LibreOffice's word processor similar to Microsoft Word, and it's where you can create and edit text documents. If you already have a document open that you'd like to add a hyperlink to, just navigate to that file. Once you're in your document, look towards the top of the screen. You're going to want to click on Insert in the menu bar. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Hyperlink. This action opens up the Hyperlink dialog box, which is where you'll be entering the details of your hyperlink. In the Hyperlink window, you'll see a field labeled Text to Display. This is where you should type the text you want to appear in your document. For example, if you're linking to a website about LibreOffice tutorials, you might want the text to read LibreOffice Guide or something similar. This text is what people will see and click on in your document. After you've entered the text to display, it's time to enter the actual link. Look for the field that asks for the URL. You'll typically see it marked as URL or link. Here, you'll input the web address you want the text to link to. Be sure to double-check this URL for accuracy, as any mistakes can render your hyperlink useless. With your text and URL entered, the final step is to confirm your entries by clicking OK. This action will insert the hyperlink into your document at the location of your cursor. You should now see your specified text appear as a clickable link, often underlined and in a different color to indicate it's a hyperlink. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink into your LibreOffice Writer document. Remember, hyperlinks are a great way to provide additional resources and context within your documents, enhancing the reader's experience by offering direct paths to more information. If you ever need to edit or remove the hyperlink, simply right-click on the link text, and you'll find options to modify or delete it. Exploring these features can further increase your productivity and make your documents even more dynamic. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.